Hey everybody on the Cali Riders Forum. I got a question for you. I have an EPI clutch kit in my we'll both have EPI clutches, both my brute forces, but my silver one has had it for about, I want to say, close to a year. But for the past year it's been making this noise, and I always ride my red one more than my silver one. And I've always noticed it making this noise, but I never thought about it. But now that I've been riding it more than the other one, because the red one I've been getting fixed up and stuff like that, this is starting to bug me. I'm trying to figure out what the problem is. Have you ever guys heard this problem, or if you know what it is? It only happens at the high RPMs. And what I know about is CVT trans, so much I know about it is kind of like here's the engine right here, and here's the primary, and it gets closer so the belt rides up higher, which makes you go faster. The primary and then squeeze the belt so the belt rides higher, which makes you secondary and all the other stuff. I don't know how the CVT trans works much, but that's pretty much what I figured out. And when I'm trying to figure out what makes that noise, I'm thinking it's either the primary hitting the case somewhere or something. I can't figure it out. I've looked at it a couple times, but haven't got any farther than just say scoot and put the case back on drive. So if you guys know what the problem is, I'd much appreciate it if you could help me out. Thanks.